Saat kaç? Evet.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming today. Thank you to the press for being here, give a voice to the voiceless. In such a wonderful summer afternoon, we all deserve spending a nice time with family and friends as all ordinary citizens do. But unfortunately, we are gathering here under the hot sun talking about 21st century genocide. After the Holocaust, we all said never again. But we are letting this happen once again before our own eyes. Today, on July 27, 2020, marked 37 months since I lost contact with my family back home. Our last phone conversation occurred on 18th of June 2017. Back then, I didn't know what would happen, what would be the last time I would hear their voice. I initially had heard that they were detained in concentration camps, but recently, on June 15th of 2020, the Chinese embassy in Turkey informed me that my 54 years old dear father and my 51 years old mother and my 2 brothers are all imprisoned. What crime they have committed? Sending me to study abroad is a crime in their eyes? My parents always believed education is the only way that can change our destiny. All the way from small village in Kashgar to Shanghai, then Istanbul, I continued to believe this. But this truth didn't help me throughout the immense suffering I have been experiencing in the last 37 months. Here I am holding my family members' photo who are all arbitrarily detained. Dear friends, today we are gathering here not to show our weakness or give up. The Chinese government trying to erase us because we are Uighurs and Muslims. We are here to tell them we exist. We are here to tell them that we stand against their oppression, and we are here to tell them we will not stop until our parents are freed, until our relatives and friends gain their freedom, until all the innocent kids can be reunited with their parents and live at home, not in concentration camps. As an Uyghur whose whole family was split by the Chinese Communist Party, and as an victim of this 21st century genocide, I urge all countries, world leaders, human rights organizations, and also individuals to take concrete action. No more slogans. We call you to use economic pressure and diplomatic pressure and sanction Chinese officials, boycott Chinese factories and international brands benefiting from forced Uyghur labors. The international community must hold China accountable for its crime. Impunity is not an option. This genocide is happening under our eyes. If we fail to stop this, this stain will remain in our history forever. I request the Chinese communist regime to close the concentration camps and the prisons and release millions of innocent Uyghurs. Thank you.